Hello friends, welcome to my channel Cartomancy Love Reading, and this video is in English as some of uh, some of the people commented and they wanted in English, so this is for them. And if you like these kind of videos in English, so you can write in the comment section, because most of my subscribers are Hindi, that is my mother tongue, and I feel more comfortable in Hindi than in English. Then also I will try to do this video. And if you like this video, you can write in the comment section, and also you can subscribe to my channel. And because in Hindi I am able to express it more, because it's my mother tongue, so I can express uh, more easily. But Hindi I have to think the word, sorry, for English I have to think the words, so it becomes a little bit difficult and also awkward for you to hear uh, my accent and all. So if you like this, then you can tell me, I will make more videos. And so our question is, who is missing you? And I have taken only these two options. So this first is clear quartz pendant. This is, sorry, clear quartz pendulum. And the second is rose quartz pendant. So whatever is attracting you, concentrate on the question, and whatever which one, because we have only two choices, so you can choose easily. So concentrate on the question and choose any one. And so I will see you in a reading. We will start with group 1 and then group 2. So this is a short reading, and so thanks for watching. Thank you. Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This reading is for those who have chosen this clear quartz pendant. So let's see what cards you have got, who is missing you. First of all, we will see in playing cards. 9 of heart, 7 of clubs, 6 of heart, jack of spade, 5 of spade, 8 of diamond, and overall energy is 4 of diamond. So I can see here energies are Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, and Gemini, Libra, Aquarius are strong, and other signs like Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, and Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn are there, but these two signs are strong. That is Cancer, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, and this one Aries, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. The water sign and air sign is strong. So who is missing you? So I'm feeling like this is a person who has a strong friendship bond with you, and this person, you can't forget this person, and this person also can't forget you, because you have very strong feelings, strong energetic connection, and good chemistry between both of you, and which is the foundation of any strong relationship. So from this card I can see that you both share a very intellectual connection, and here the friendship between you is very strong. So this person is someone you have a strong energetic connection, means even if this person is away from you or far away from you, is at distance from you, then also you can feel the energy of this person with you. So then we have 9 of heart, jack of spade. So this person, this is someone who is feeling unfulfilled and who desires for you. And here I am also seeing that you two know each other from childhood, maybe from childhood or from very young age. So there is a soulmate connection I can see here. So this person is your soulmate, and this person is also watching you through social media, is seeing you from somewhere, maybe from social media or from some other source. So here we have 7 of clubs with 5 of spades. So this line tells me that some kind of argument happened between both of you, and now some big argument has happened, and then this person is not trying, or not working on the things. And also I am feeling like a big argument or a difficult patch is there, a difficult problem is there in your relationship, and this person is unable to decide what to do next. But this person feels a great love and energetic connection with you. And also I am seeing that you were their greatest wish, as from this card, 9 of heart and Jack of spade. So Jack of spade represents a person who is skilled at his work, and but emotionally this person is disturbed. And this can be a person who is young and who can take charge of the situation. If some work is given to this person gives 100% to his or her work. So this can also represent sometimes soldier or person who is working in army or armed forces. So this is the first scenario that I saw. The second scenario is this person can be someone who is away from you because of work. Because of work, this person is away from you, and this person has very stable connection. This person is searching for stability in his life, stability regarding to employment or stability regarding to money. So again this person same feelings are there for as in the first scenario. The second scenario is also same, but only the difference is that this person is away because this person has ended the relationship because of work. So let's see other cards to be more clear. So here we have fork in the road, imagine, and thinker. So fork in the road tells that you are separated from this person and there are too many hurdles between you. Means too many problems are there in the relationship, that's why you can't reunite, or that's why you can't reconcile. But this person loves you definitely, there is no doubt, and that's why this person is missing you. And imagine, also this person daydreams about you and always thinks about you whenever this person wakes up or goes to sleep. This person always thinks about you. And thinker, he always thinks about the situation, about you. And as you can see, we have this number 4 4. So 4 4 for me, it represents that something related to communication. So this person wants to communicate with you, but on the other hand he or she is very cautious, very carefully planning for the situation, but things are not happening. The next card we have got is passion. Allow your heart and soul to sing with joy. It is safe for you to love. Open your heart to give and receive the highest form, highest energy of all. And true love, this is the romance of lifetime. As I told you, this person considers you as their true mate, true soulmate. So even if you are apart due to some arguments or due to work, then also this person misses you badly. And This person also feels for you. This is someone whose heart is always open for you, or your heart is always open for this person, and you don't feel, this person doesn't feel as he feels for you. And also passion, as you passion card tells me that there is a lot of attraction and chemistry between both of you. The next card we have got is from Soul Journey is death, health, failure, acceptance and peace. So death card represents that, as we have got here also 5 of spade. So death card represents that this relationship has ended after something happened, because things were not working out the way you wanted. So the relationship ended somehow, and now in this situation, in this scenario, health is also a issue. So because of these problems, this person is not, or maybe this person is working in some health department or something related to health. Maybe this person is a doctor or nurse or something like this. And failure. So something happened between both of you that led to this separation and failure in this relationship. But then we have acceptance and peace. So this person has accepted the things that happened between you, and now he's searching for peace. He's searching a middle ground between both of you, so that at least you two can remain as friends. This is a person from your past, basically. I'm feeling like this from these cards. Now let's see their personality. I have made these cards, handmade written cards. Let's see who is missing. Group 1. Who is missing? Group 1. Who is missing? Group 1, angels. Who is missing? Group 1. Who is missing? Group 1. Is missing? Group 1. Who is missing? Group 1. Authority. So as I told you, this person can be in armed forces or in some authority position. Then we have compatible. Again we have got that 4 of diamonds, so it represents a relationship that is very compatible. You felt compatibility with each other. Confident. This person is very confident. Someone who is very confident is the person who is missing you. Optimism. This person is again very optimistic, always thinks positive, and commanding. So this person is commanding as well as in authority. Let's see some numbers and words. This can be their name's first letter, last letter, or nickname, or first letter or last letter of your name, of your person's name. R, G, D, F, H, E, K, then we have Z and X. Then for numbers we have 1, 4, this is 9 or 6. I think this is 6 and this is 9. Then 2, sorry, not 2, it's 5, 3, and 6. So this reading is for those who have chosen this first group. If this resonates, you can write in the comment section and also subscribe to my channel. And if you want to see more videos like this in English, also write that in comment section. So thanks for watching. Thank you. Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This reading is for those who have chosen this second group, this rose quartz, and the card we got are 4 of heart, 10 of heart, 7 of heart, 2 of clubs, 3 of clubs, and Queen of spade, and overall energy is 7 of spade. So this person can be Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, or Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius, as well as Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. So who is this person who is missing you? So so many people are watching this, so there can be many scenarios in each spread. So here I am feeling like this is someone from your past who wants to have a second time around or a second chance with you, or someone also I'm feeling like your person may be a divorced person, or who is alone. That kind of person is missing you, and this person wants a second chance with you, and also wants a growing relationship with you, also wants to marry you. And this person shares a lot of this feelings are stable in this person's heart for you, and physically also this person is very attracted to you, and they want to return to your life, and they want to give all the benefits, all the love freely to you. And also I'm feeling like they want to spend their energy and time with you. So this person is someone you already know, that's why you are asking this question, who is missing you. So this is your ex-lover maybe, or your ex-husband or ex-wife, who wants a chance again with you. I am feeling like this. Or this can be someone who you are already married to, but something happened between both of you, because we have got overall energy as 7 of spade. So there is a serious setback in the relationship due to maybe addictions, or some kind codependent relationship, or some kind of addiction or misfortune happened between both of you, and that led to the separation. So then also this person wants to give a second chance in the relationship. So some kind of nasty surprise, I am feeling like some kind of change happened, some kind of surprise that was not expected happened, and You can recognize this person. I am uh, just telling you the situation. And also with 10 of heart, maybe this person is already married and there is a third party situation. Maybe you are you were in a live-in relationship with this person. So this Queen of Spade can be a person who has a personality of taking charge of the situation, means who is good at their work. Can be a doctor, lawyer, or someone who is divorced or widowed, or someone from a distance, from a foreign land. And let's see in other cards, then it will be clear who is this person. So in Romance Angel we have got passion, suppression, soulmate, and worth waiting for. So as we can see, there are so many heart cards, so it represents that this person, this is someone who has a lot of passion for you, and also this person is physically also very attracted to you, and you two are not together. As I have told you, you may be in separation with each other, and you are also soulmate. So this person is your soulmate, and this person is waiting for the divine timing and waiting for your response, for to get again a second chance, or second chance this person is waiting for you. And again, let's see in other cards also. Loyal heart, go to the distance, and building blocks. So I'm feeling like this person is someone you met through work, in your workplace you met this person, and this person may be your soulmate, as we have got the soulmate card also, and here also we have got the loyal heart, which represents a kind of spiritual connection. And also you can be twin flame, you are in a twin flame journey, and again this person is at distance from you. Maybe you are living far apart in different countries or in different states, and this person has helped you to this person has helped you to grow as a person, as a spiritual person, as well as a human. This person has helped you a lot in growing. Then we have this blame card, then gratitude and forgiveness. This person has done something in the past, because we have got this 7 of spade. Maybe you have caught this person with some third person or something like that, and now this person is feeling regretful, and he's feeling like he has lost something of prized or something valuable thing he has missed, and now this person is in addictions, maybe drinking and drugs, etc. All the stuff that I am not aware of, but this person has a serious setback after you two were separated. So there is a kind of unexpected surprise from this card. And also here from the blame card, I am feeling like I accept responsibility for my well-being. So maybe this person has blamed you in the past about something, or you blamed this person, but now this person wants gratitude from you and forgiveness from you, and wants a second chance with you. So as it is written, I am thankful for this life and the opportunities that it presents. I acknowledge that harboring resentment blocks the flow of love. So this person wants you to forgive him or her for whatever they have done in the past, because still they feel they think that they have taken so much from you, and they didn't give back in return. and now they are regretful and they want to come back, and they are asking for forgiveness and your gratitude. Let's see in other cards what your person wants to who is missing you. Sorry. Who is missing group 2? 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 Okay. The cards we got are pettiness, wild, confident, and authority. So this tells about the character of the person. Maybe this person is in authority position and very confident. No more cards are coming out. So this person is someone who doesn't value things when they are available to them, and when things go away they try to get them. This is that nature of the person. And again, this wild, maybe their living style is maybe they are little bit on a wild side, you can understand. And then confident and authority, so this person is very confident and maybe in authority position. Then we have numbers and letters. B, U, so this can be their name, first letter, last letter, or surnames, first letter, last letter, nickname, T, X, U, R, R, W, K, and L. The numbers we have 0, 4, 4, 5, 0, 2, this is 9, and this is also 9, and 4. So this reading is for those who have chosen this group 2. If this resonates, you can write in the comment section. And so thanks for watching. Thank you.